Hi guys, it's Jay from Blue Team Home Watch, serving Naples and Collier County in Southwest Florida. The first thing that, and probably the most vital thing that you can do, is have your air conditioner unit serviced. Have your air conditioner serviced before you leave by the company that you like and that you've used, or that if it's still under warranty, use that company and have them come through and do a thorough cleaning of the blower, of the coils, of the compressor outside. Have them recharge the refrigerant. Have them flush and vacuum the condensate line. By doing those simple things, which is in most cases, by the way, part of your home warranty, you're going to save yourself a ton of money in the end, because we spend a lot of our time as home watch professionals dealing with AC units and thermostat issues that could potentially cause, arguably, the most damage, because when they go out, if it goes undetected for 3 days under the right conditions and circumstances with your AC not working, you could potentially have a mold issue very quickly. And with our storm systems that come through here in Florida, they are so harsh at times, where we constantly lose internet, we constantly lose power. It doesn't matter what community you live in. It doesn't matter if you have a generator. Generators fail. And if that happens and nobody knows about it, then you come back to a home with a mold issue. And by the way, mold remediation costs a lot of money if you haven't gone through it. I have. And so it costs several thousand, if not hundreds of thousands. Mold remediation is a real thing. They take out the carpets, they take out your hardwood floors, they take out the furniture, they take out your clothing, they take out all of your children's toys, they cut the walls out everywhere, insulation in the attic, ceiling pieces come out. And by the way, that's just all of it going out. It's all gone. It's ruined. It's not coming back. And so humidity levels need to be monitored properly by a properly trained home watch professional, where I don't expect the hobby home watcher is paying attention to that to a level and degree that a professional company is doing that. So again, hire a professional who knows what they're doing. And with that, you're going to pay for that. I mean, for that level of service, if you're paying less than $100 a visit from a professional home watch company, then you're doing really, really good. If you have one of these larger homes and the features of the home demand that home watch professional's time spent going through all of the AC systems, through all of the hot water systems, through the tankless hot water systems, through all of the plumbing, through the pool system, they should be doing that every time. And that takes upwards of sometimes an hour to an hour and a half to do it thoroughly. If somebody is walking through in 10 or 15 minutes, I'm sorry to say, folks, they're not doing it thoroughly. With that, there are two other things I wanted to talk about quickly. Is make sure that you have an extra supply of air filters for your air returns in your house. Many of the homes in Southwest Florida have multiple returns with multiple different sizes. And if you have some of those stashed away for the home watch provider to just replace when they need to be replaced, then that's going to save you money in the long run, because then they're not going to have to go out and purchase those, and then that's going to cost you more money. Along with that is, if you have a thermostat that is battery powered as a backup to the electrical power, then try to use lithium batteries over the alkaline batteries. They cost a little bit more, but they don't corrode the inside of your electrical components as the big mega pack of alkaline batteries. So that's something to think about with all of your remote controls and your smoke alarms and your carbon monoxide sensors and such, is if you can use lithium. Lithium does better down here in Southwest Florida, and it also doesn't corrode like the batteries in a regular alkaline battery. So with that, I'll close this video and I'll see you on the next video.